Good day, everyone. I am Mike Healy, your friendly neighborhood bread baker. Today we're going to use this amazing high-tech stainless steel Swiss-made bread machine to bake a famous recipe, Annie and Bill's oatmeal, apple, walnut raisin bread. So let's get started. We removed the container from the bread machine and we've pre-mixed all of our ingredients to save us some time. So first of all, you want to put the liquid ingredients in first. So we're going to take a half a cup of water, dump it in the container, a third a cup of unsweetened applesauce, get it all out of there. Tablespoon of butter. We like using Kerrygold butter, that's the best. And now we're going to put our solid ingredients in. So we have a third a cup of Quaker Oats oatmeal, and then we're going to take some salt, a teaspoon of salt, so now we're going to have a tablespoon of brown sugar and a teaspoon of ground cinnamon. Dump that all in there. And now we put in a tablespoon of non-fat dry milk powder. Finally, we're going to put in 1 3/4 cup that we've prepared here with some wax paper, 1 3/3 cup, 2/3 cup of bread flour. And just dump it all right in there. Oops. Okay, there we go. No outtakes on this video, no bloopers. So now we've got the bread flour, we've got all our solid ingredients in there, and now we finally put in some raisins, kind of sprinkle them around. There we go. Now here's where we put the yeast in. So what we want to do is we want to make a little impression in the top of the flour, a little cavity there, so we can pour the yeast in so it doesn't get wet above the flour. And we used 1 1/2 teaspoons of active yeast. So now we open up our bread machine, take our container, carefully place it in the machine, drop it in there, and then give it a twist to lock it. Close the lid. Now here's where we can put a 1/4 cup of walnut pieces in the top here in this little basket that will mix the walnuts in with the bread during the baking process. And that's about it. And then all you do is take your index finger and press the start button, and voila, you're ready to go. You come back in 3 hours and you're going to have a nice warm loaf of bread. Welcome back. The bread is finished baking, and now we're going to remove it from the machine. We open it up. Now we take the container, and to unlock it, we turn it slightly to the left, clockwise, and then lift it out, Now we use a bowl scraper to kind of release the bread around the edges of the bread. And we push this down around the edges of the bread to release it completely around. And if we do it right, it should fall right out. And we'll see the finished product. And now we turn it upside down onto this grate, and here it comes. There it is. Okay, I'll put this to the side. Be sure you wear oven mitts and all, because this is extremely hot. And then we can take our bread and turn it right side up. And there you have it. There's the Ann and Bill's oatmeal apple walnut raisin bread. You let it sit and cool for 1 hour, and then it'll be ready to slice. So enjoy, everyone. I highly recommend you taking a look at the bread machines as an easy way to make bread at home. Pays for itself in a matter of months. Take care. See you later.